Ready to craft a kid-friendly PC for under $300? Let's dive in. For just around $255, you can set up a computer that's perfect for web browsing, educational apps, and a bit of light gaming. Start with the AMD Athlon 3000G CPU. It's got integrated Vega 3 graphics, making it great for games like Minecraft and Roblox. Pair it with an ASRock A320M HDV motherboard for just $50. Next, grab 8GB of DDR4 RAM for $30 and a 240GB SSD for $20. Fast boot times and plenty of space for those educational apps. Power it all with a reliable EVGA 450W power supply, costing about $35. And keep it all snug in a Thermaltake Versa H15 case that's compact and kid-friendly for $40. You can even snag a Windows 10 home key for $20, or use a free Linux-based OS like Ubuntu. Don't forget a basic USB keyboard and mouse combo for $25, and you're good to go. Optional, pick up a used monitor for around $40. So there you have it, a complete kid-friendly PC setup under $300. Hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly tech tips.